If earlier joint diseases were considered to be the lot of people of the older generation, now the disease can defeat young people. If you ignore such signals of the body and let everything go by itself, it will pass by itself. The consequences can be the most unpredictable, for example, in the form of joint deformation or complete loss of mobility. What Arthrazex is capable of for back. The medicine was created in online order to help recover from injuries and serious competition to racehorses suffering from excessive loads and frequent ligament ruptures. Adjustments were made to the miraculous recipe and the gel for Arthrazex was used by Olympic champions and much later by ordinary consumers. This certified product is trusted by 96% of customers. And the reason for this increased confidence is simple: the highest quality of the ingredients, the verified balm formula, and an amazing healing effect. It manifests itself in the following: eliminates the deposition of salts and prevents reaccumulation, restores the structure of cartilage, eliminates inflammatory processes, relieves swelling of tissues, removes redness in the affected area, strengthens cartilage, joints, tissues, has analgesic effect, restores the normal functioning of the joints. It is important to note that, unlike other anti-arthrosis and arthritis remedies, Arthrazex for muscles and joints not only temporarily relieves pain, but stimulates the restoration of damaged tissues, cartilage from the inside. Those contributes to the complete cure of insidious ailments. The effectiveness of Arthrazex is due to the enhanced composition of natural ingredients and the phytocomplex of 8 medicinal plants, which has a targeted beneficial effect on the tissues of the articular apparatus. The combination of the natural components of the joints has a positive regenerative effect on their condition. The active substances that make up the composition have analgesic, saline, anti-inflammatory, and resolving effects, contribute to the integrity of the articular cartilage, and provides not only the normal functioning of the joints, but also their restoration in injuries or diseases. Where to buy Arthrazex? Arthrazex can be ordered only on the official website. It is worth noting that you cannot buy at the Arthrazex pharmacy, as well as in simple stores. Products purchased in pharmacies do not work and are not original products. The advantage of Arthrazex is the purchase price. The price of Arthrazex on the official website has been reduced. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Link to the original product in the description.